FreeBSD version upgrade from 14.3 to 15.1. At first, to check current FreeBSD state. freebsd-update fetch. Warning. FreeBSD 14.3 release P3 is approaching its end of life date. It is strongly recommended that you upgrade to a newer release within the next 1 day. Support time is enging, so pgrading to FreeBSD 15.1 release. freebsd-update R15.1 release upgrade. freebsd-update install. pgrading and pgrading upgrade. Display driver does not work after upgrade. The fix. pkg install drmk mod. pkg install drm 515k mod. GPU hardware. psconf lvgrep b4 vga. vgap psi0 at pci 0:0:2:0. Class equals 0x0300000. Rev equals 0x09. Equals 0x00. Vendor equals 0x8086. Device equals 0x0152. Subvendor equals 0x103. C subdevice equals 0x339A. Vendor equals Intel Corporation. Device equals Xeon E3-1200 V2/3rd Gen Core Processor Graphics Controller. Class equals Display. Subclass equals VGA. After installing DRM 515k mod, resolution is fine. Lock DRM 515K mod package for avoiding upgrade to the non-workable version. PKG Lock DRM 515K mod.